boyfriend isn't just a man, but a miracle of technology. Your life turns upside down. Most people don't like mornings. And Pinky is no exception. I'm so sleepy. And I need to get ready. Ah! You scared me! This is Pinky's boyfriend, and he isn't like everyone else. Kevin is a real robot, but he does have something human about him. The robot wants to be beautiful too, and he wants to smell delicious perfume. Well, this is too much. However, here's a great solution. The car air freshener. You're kind of like a car. I think the robot is happy. Hey. That's great! Now it's time to make breakfast. Kevin can't wait to grab a bite. But don't breathe down her neck. Just sit and wait. Like this. Pinky is still cooking. And Kevin is inspecting the cutlery. He's not very patient at all, but he's enjoying having a fork for breakfast. Unbelievable! Kevin has iron jaws. And here's our food. Hey! Kevin is already full. What are you doing? You might lose your teeth at this rate. Here, have some normal food. But it seems like Kevin is more interested in the knife. Oh no! You can't put that in your mouth! She needs to explain everything like he's a baby. Oh, right? Food, leave. Is he malfunctioning? I tried so hard cooking for you. Oh, what's the point? It's time to put makeup on. My hair also needs some attention. It needs a lot of work. What should I do? Here's Kevin. I can't style my hair. Looks like Kevin has a solution. He's going to put an end to the hair rebellion. Let's see what happens. Oh no! This is so old-fashioned. Pinky's not happy. He'll have to redo it. Of course! Hairstyle option number 2. 2 ponytails? I'm not 7 years old. Pinky is unhappy again. It's hard to upset Kevin because he has nerves of steel and also multifunctional hands. They can style hair perfectly. Great result. And most importantly, Pinky is finally happy. Hiking? It's a perfect idea for a weekend. First, you need to collect Kevin. The way to the heart of a robot is through circuits and chips. Hey, Kevin, come here. Being able to control your boyfriend's emotions is great. Let Kevin be silly. Yeah, very funny. Let's try something else. Here, this is the chip with adventures. I wonder what Kevin will do now. Wow! That's quite the transformation. He's ready. But where is he going? That's an interesting change. But Pinky doesn't like these adventures. Second try. And it's a failure again! An astronaut with a net? Are you going hiking for butterflies? But you can't go on an adventure! Here, this is what you need! Now Kevin looks like a real adventurer! Hey! You can go anywhere in the world like this! But let's not go overboard! It's better to go on an adventure by car! Everything would be fine! But the keys are missing! Kevin uses his finger instead of the key. The alarm is off. The door is open. He's so helpful. And here are the keys. Pinky left them in the car, but the car won't start. Looks like the battery is dead. Hey, we'll need Kevin's help. see how he handles working as a mechanic. An electric charge for the battery. And the car comes to life. Well done! Now you can enjoy the ride. And music. But Kevin is sad about something. No, he must just be rebooting. No, there is something wrong with the car. It died in the middle of the road. Yes, it looks like they will have to push their car the rest of the way. That's a task for Kevin, obviously. And he's doing a great job. Finally, we're in the forest. Here's a great place to camp. It's getting cold. We need to build a fire. Kevin gets to work. First, you have to collect some stones. A lot of stones. The place for the fire is ready. Pinky collected some firewood. The sticks are so long. You should break them. Kevin can use his teeth for that. He's like a saw. Beavers clearly have competition now. How do you make a fire? I forgot to bring matches. Why worry about things like that when you have a multifunctional gadget boyfriend? He's like a Swiss Army knife. After all that hard work, I'm all thirsty. I wish I could have a cold drink. Kevin is here to help. After all, he has a built-in refrigerator. There's some soda in there for Pinky. Perfect! I think Kevin is up to something again. Interesting. Oh! He's looking for a suitable tree? Switching teeth to chainsaw mode. Wow! What a big log! How could he chew it up? He's so sweet! He made a comfortable bench by the fire. That's so nice! I'm getting hungry! So hungry! Activating food finding mode. Hey, where are you going? What do you mean? On a hunt! Let's scan the forest. I see the target. Locked and loaded. A rabbit! That's an excellent option for dinner. Pinky, I brought you food. Are you crazy? That's a real live bunny. Don't you feel sorry for him? Oh, right. You don't have a heart. I brought sausages. I just wanted you to fry them. Well, that's more like it. There is no need to torture the poor animal. What a cute bunny. How could you eat such a sweet baby? There is one big downside in being in nature. Too many mosquitoes! Ouch! They're biting me! It's okay. We're going to scare these bugs away. We need to take mosquito repellent and put it into Kevin. Switch on heating mode. It works! Need to adjust the mosquito repellent system. At this rate, there won't be a single insect in the area. This place is so huge! I wonder if we are going the right way. We need to use the compass. It's not working. But there's a more reliable option. But it's kind of glitchy too. I see. It's all because of the radio tower. Reboot! Great! Moving on! Did you like like our sketches about a robot boyfriend? Would you like to meet a real robot? Tell us in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell so you don't miss new sketches about living with a robot on Troom Select.